Hi, I'm Karina Fraley for Expert Village, and we are making our pine cone turkeys. So we are going to start with our pine cones, and again, you've either purchased it at the craft store, or if you picked your own, you are going to have baked them for about 45 minutes in a 200-degree oven to eliminate any risk of any little bugs being in there. And then you're going to decide what side of the pine cone you want to use. If you're just going to go with thin feathers like this, they'll pretty much stick in any sort of width. But if you're going to go with the thicker foam ones, you're going to want to go where you have a little bit more room. And so to me, this looks like the better side of the pine cone for my project. So I am going to start by cutting out some foam feet and some foam leaves. And basically, you just buy foam sheets. They come in different sizes. And for the leaf, for the feather, sorry, it's very, very easy. You just freehand it. You just get your foam sheet, and it's very easy to cut through foam, and then you just kind of make a little feather shape, and you just have that. It's very easy. Then for the feet, you can see I've made these little feet, and those are also very easy, and I freehanded everything, and it's very simple. You're going to want to start with a piece like this of foam, and start making a little triangle with your scissors like that. And then you're going to want to cut on this side, kind of following the shape of the triangle, and then straight up a little bit more. And then again on this side, following the shape of the triangle till you get to about the tip of the triangle. And then you're going to turn your scissors a little bit and go up again. And that's for the leg. And there you have the little foot. So now that you have your feet and your feathers, we're ready to move on. So I'll see you at the next clip.